In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to fix the WhatsApp error that says you've reached your monthly limit for sending new messages. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to clear the issue. Start by locating WhatsApp on your phone. Press and hold the WhatsApp icon, then tap on App Info. Once you're inside, scroll down and open Storage. From there, tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data, only the cache. After that, go back to the previous screen and tap Force Stop. Then confirm by tapping OK. Now return to your home screen. Next, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar, and search for WhatsApp. If an update is available, update the app to the latest version. Once the update is complete, restart your phone. This step is important because it refreshes system processes and applies the changes properly. After following all these steps, the monthly limit message should be gone, and WhatsApp should work normally again. Thanks for watching, and stay connected for more helpful updates.